Williams here with Elliott Wave Source, #1 source for Elliott Wave technical analysis. Today is June 3rd, 2013, and today I'll be covering two key pairs for you guys today. That's the dollar CAD and the Aussie Kiwi. Starting out with the dollar CAD, we see that we had those impulses going up, that wave 1. Wave 2 retraced a little under 50%. Wave 3, our extended wave. Then wave 4 and that wave 5, and then now we're in that corrective phase. We see that we already have wave A rather, and then wave B, which retraced about a little above 61% of the move of wave A, as indicated by the Fibonacci retracements. And now we're working on that third and final wave. So as we see, if we get 100% corrective move of wave A, then our targets would be at 1.0259, 1.026. Or if we get that 161%, then it would be at 1.0184, which would coincide with a 61.8% retracement of the entire move of wave 1, and 100% move will coincide with the 38.2% retracement of wave 1. So those are two targets, and we're definitely looking for that point. We got short at about this level right now, so price is still at a good opportunity to go short if you haven't done so when we first called it out. But we're at a perfect opportunity to go short right now, and just looking for the price to push a bit lower. So looking for that risk appetite. And then jumping over to the Aussie Kiwi, another pair that we are currently in. We took the end of last week, caught it on that wave 2 bounce, and took advantage. First targets was hit at 1.205, and then just looking for the next targets to get hit. With this pair, we were monitoring because we saw that we were within a B correction, and we thought that it would end at that 38.2% under the move of wave A. So we thought wave B did a 138.2% move, but it actually pushed to a 161.8% move. Usually it stops at 138, but it's not a rule, so it definitely saw it pushed a bit lower. But now we're seeing the price is taken off from this point in an impulsive manner, which indicates that the B wave has finally completed and we're working on our C wave. So now, as taking the distance for the move of wave A, just to get our targets for wave B, we already see that price pushed through 100% move of the wave, which would put us at 1.203, and then our next targets now is that 161.8% fib level, which resides at 1.21629. So now as we take a closer look at these impulses, see that wave 1 is completed, wave 2 retraced about 50% and bounce off that trend line. And then now we're working on that third wave. Third wave already pushed above 100% of the mark, and now the next target is at that 161.8 fib level. So we could see prices push towards that and then would correct a bit, and would correct about 50% as wave 2 has already done so, and then push towards our target. So definitely looking for this pair to push towards 1.218, and our next target for this pair is at 1.215. So put it below those fib lines just to make sure that our targets get hit. So we'll definitely be monitoring this pair throughout the week just to see if our targets are met. Another pair that I'm eyeing at this current time is the Aussie Kiwi. It's a pair we've been monitoring, and we have entered this position. Well, we have been looking to enter this position rather. See that we had that wave 1 completed, followed by an expanded flat correction the wave 2, and then we saw a head and shoulder formation, which is pointing to some gains with the break of that neckline. We saw that retest of the neckline, so just looking for this pair to retest again. And then we'll look to go long at that point, so around 95.9 or 95.8 if it gets that low. And then we definitely look to go long at that point, and then we would hold this pair for at least a break of 98. So another pair we're definitely keying and watching at this current time. And we're definitely hoping that our limits get filled on that so we can take advantage of this third wave, that destructive wave. So thank you for watching the video today, guys. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact myself or Paul in the chat room, and we will gladly assist you with any questions or issues you guys may have. So have a safe week trading, and good luck.